Here I have INFINIX Hot 4D Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. When the INFINIX logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. When you see this XOS and no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option reboot to bootloader, and after that device will enter like this fast boot mode. And now we're in. So when you're done using this boot mode, to quit it, what you have to do is to long press power key for 8 seconds to exit this mode. So let's get it. And after that, device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.